Good evening, students. How are you, everyone? Welcome back to my class. Let's start with missing frequency type of questions today. So today we are going to learn statistics. In our previous session, in yesterday's class, we started with frequency statistics. So today I'm going to deal with missing type of sums, where the missing frequencies are given, how we are going to solve for that. So let's move with the solution. So why you got late, Vivek? Vivek, very late. Okay, here the first question which we are having, missing one. You can start writing out question here. 0 to 4. So the frequency is little invisible to you. Note down the question. 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19. So this question you need to write out. So let's start out with the solution. See here you can see that lower boundary point and upper boundary points are not same. Can you hear me clearly? Vivek, can you hear me clearly? So here, I told you to practice out with the sample paper. Completed anyone? Any of the paper? Completed any paper? Not getting any response. So let's start with question here. So I'll be writing for you. Vivek, you're not responding. So here it is, 0 to 4. Then 5 to 9. Okay, wait for a few minutes. I'll get a pen. Here, 0 to 5, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 14, 19. So this we are solving missing frequency type of question today. So these are missing frequency one. Very important question for your board point of view. So let's start with that. 14 to 15. Get in silently. Why are you shouting? (14), 20 to 29, sorry, 24, then 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 35 to 39, 40 to 44. And question frequency is given 3, 8, 12, F1, 35, 21, F2, 6, 2. So here we are calculating value of F1 and F2. So first, finding mid value, xi is as usual. So we'll be calculating, we'll be adding these two numbers, dividing by 2. So 0 plus 4, it's 4. 4 by 2 is 2. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 by 2, it's 7. So here, one thing you need to keep in mind clearly. The paper explained, I have completed. Okay. Okay, Vivek. So calculate these values, please. Five to 7, 10 plus 14, it's 24. 24. See how to calculate this xi. Here we are getting the difference of 5. So go on adding 5. Class interval is calculated if the lower point and upper point is not same. So here 0 and 4 is there. Next one is 5 and 9. ठीक है, जब ऐसे मतलब लोअर पॉइंट और अपर पॉइंट सेम नहीं होता है तो हम लोग यहाँ से क्लास लेंथ फाइंड करते हैं एच का वैल्यू. ठीक है, यहाँ पे तुमने दिया है कि क्लास इंटरवल लोअर टर्म को चेंज करेंगे. दो मेथड है, तुम चेंज करके कर सकते हो. अगर चेंज नहीं कर रहे हो तो DI वाले मेथड से डायरेक्टली कर सकते हो. ठीक है, चेंज करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे हमारा 5 का डिफरेंस हो रहा है तो वी आर गोइंग ऑन एडिंग 5. So 12 plus 5 is 17, 17 plus 5 is 22, 22 plus 5 is 27. फिर उसके बाद हो गया नेक्स्ट 32, 32 plus 5, 37, 42. ठीक है, अगर चेंज करते हो तो UI वाला मेथड कर सकते हो. अगर चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो, नहीं कर रहे हो, डायरेक्टली कर रहे हो तो DI वाला मेथड हम करेंगे. ठीक है, या फिर हम UI वाला मेथड करते हैं तो भी कोई हार्म नहीं है इसमें. मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी के लिए हमेशा UI वाला मेथड यूज़ किया करो. ठीक है, तो जब हम UI करते हैं मिसिंग वाले में हमेशा याद रखना है कि जहाँ पे मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी होता है उसको एज्यूम किया करो. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमारा FI मतलब F1 या फिर F2 तुम्हारा चॉइस है. या तो तुम इसको एज्यूम करो या ऊपर वाले नंबर को. तो लेट्स एज्यूम दिस वन. अगर हमने इसको एज्यूम कर लिया सो हियर विल बी प्लेसिंग 0, -1, -2, -3 और नीचे हो गया 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये हमारा बन गया UI. इसके बाद FI UI. सो हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना है FI और UI वाले टर्म को. सो ये हो गया -9, 8 2 ज़ा -16, 12 1 ज़ा 12, फिर 0, 35, 21 2 ज़ा 42, 3F2, फिर 6 4 ज़ा 24, 5 2 ज़ा 10. इसके बाद सारे पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज़ को एक साथ ऐड करो. 42, 2 + 5 7, 7 + 4 11, 1. फिर उसके बाद हो गया 3 + 4 7, 7 + 3 10, 10 + 2 12, +1 13, +1 14, plus 3F2. Now the negative one together, 9 + 6 15, 15 + 2 17, 17, 1 carry, so it's 37. Now subtract them. Minus plus minus, big number is positive, so answer will be getting in positive. So 141 minus 37 is 74 plus 3F2. So this we got as sum of the FI UI. Now we are going to apply formula. So let's move with the formula. X bar mean is A plus sum of FI UI whole divided by FI multiplied by H. So when we go for UI formula, we need to take class interval. Okay, class length. If we are using DI formula, this H will not come. So यहाँ पे हम H कैसे find करते हैं? So when we are not making the lower boundary point and upper boundary point equal, carefully look on, we'll be finding H by subtracting XI values. So here the difference is 7 minus 2, 5. So that to be taken as विवेक तुमने कुछ लिखा है 104 plus 3F2. 104 नहीं आ रहा, 74 आ रहा है. योर कैलकुलेशन इज रॉन्ग, वंस रीचेक इट. ये हमको 141 आया. 141 minus 37. So 141 ही रॉन्ग है शायद ना. So it's नहीं, ये मैंने, ये टोटली मेरा गलत हुआ है. एक बार इसको चेक कर लो. ओके, 7, 7 + 4 11, 1 हो गया. फिर उसके बाद 6 + 4 10, 10 + 6 + 4 10, 10 + 2 12 + 1 13 14. ये तो बराबर ही आया है. -37. सो यहाँ पे हो गया 9 + 6 15, 15 + 2 17, 7 1 कैरी 37. सब कुछ तो बराबर ही मिला है. Once you check out for calculation, so overall answer will be 74. Okay, 74 + 3f2. 104 नहीं आना चाहिए. 35 42 3f2 24 and 10. 77 + 24 ज़्यादा ही हो रहा है. I took this calculation directly from the book. 74 + 3f2. Will you help to find out mistake, like where we are getting? Here 35 is there, then 42, 3f2, 24 and 10. 9 + 16, 25, 25 + 12, 37. This is also correct. So 141 minus 37. Okay, let it be. We'll have the further equation here. 74 + 3f2. Mean is given 125. We assumed 17. So here 17. Sum of the frequency we got 74 + 3f2 whole divided by sum of the mean is given 125. Mean is given 22.12. 22.12 and sum of the frequency is 125. Class interval is 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. First we'll be subtracting this. So this will be 22 minus 17, 5.12 is equal to 74 plus 3f2 upon 25. Now having cross multiplication. So after multiplying 25 with 5.12, we'll be getting 128. So it is rounded up, is equal to 74 plus 3f2. Now subtract 128 minus 74 is equal to 3f2. So it's 54 is equal to 3f2. Thus f2 is 54 by 3. So we got f2 as 8. When we add all these frequencies, so one will be getting from the formula and other we need to add out all the frequency. Okay, this frequency column. So if we add all the frequency column, it's 87 plus f1 plus f2. And sum of the frequency was given 125. So this will make equal to 125. We got the value of f2 as 8. Now f1, 125 minus 87 minus 8. So f1 is 20. f1 is 20 and f2 we got 8. So this is what we calculated. So next question is for you. Note down question and try to solve it. If you're not getting, I'll help you. So the same kind of question here we are getting. So here the question is 0 to 49. Number is 49. 0 to 49. 50 to 99. Here also the intervals are not, like lower boundary point and upper boundary point is not equal. Values are given 0 to 49, 50 to 99, 100 to 149, 150 to 199, and frequencies 10, 15, F1, 20, 15, F2 and 2. So how we are going to solve it? First add them together. What is the total of frequency column? And make them equal to 100. In the question it is given mean of following frequency distribution of 100 observation. So 100 is nothing but total of frequency and mean is 148. Prepare column for yourself. So let's start out with the solution. Prepare column for frequency. Will you try this by your own or you want me to explain? Will you try this by your own or you want me to explain? Vivek, getting no response. Okay. So this is the column. So let's start writing the question here. 0 to 49, 50 to 99. Don't worry about like the lower and upper boundary points are not same. Still we can solve. So class frequency column is given 10, 15, F1, 20, 15, F2 and 2. So first we'll add them together. 10 plus 15, 25. 25 plus 20, 45, 50, 60, 62. 62 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 100. It's given 100 observations are there. So F1 plus F2 will be equal to 100 minus 62. 38. So this we got first equation. Now we need to find class interval. Add them together. 0 plus 49 divide by 2. 24.5. Now 50 plus 99. 149. If we divide it by 2, 74.5. So there is a difference of 50. We can see here. So go on adding 50. Now adding 50 to this. 124.5. 174.5. 224.5. 274.5. Then 324.5. So we need to add 50. After getting two calculations, just see the difference and go on adding that. We did not to calculate for all. Now the next I told like wherever we are having missing one, there we will assume. So either you can choose this one or you can choose the lower one. So let this be A. So wherever we assumed, we'll make it 0, minus 1, minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upper half to be taken negative, lower half to be positive. Now this is uy, fi, uy. Multiply both. Minus 20, 15 and 1, minus 15, 0, 20, 15 2s are 30, 3f2, 2 4s are 8. Now adding them together. So 20 plus 15, it's minus 35. Here it is If you subtract 35 from this, we're left out with 15. Out of 50, 35. So 15 is remaining. 15 plus 8. How we did? Minus 2, minus 1. So this is by UY method. If you recall back, I gave the formula of UY. It's a UY is xi minus a upon h. Okay, what was our xi? 24.5. A we got 124.5. Whole divided by class interval. So if you subtract them, it's minus 100 divided by 50 minus 2. When we go for UI method, you need not to worry. Directly you'll be getting the numbers. Wherever you assumed, put 0 there. Upper half, minus 1, minus 2. Just we need to put out minus 1, minus 2. And lower half, positive 1, 2, 3, 4. So on. Clear? Then multiplication is done. So for this part, we left out with 15. 15 plus 8, it's 23 plus 3f2. Let's apply formula now. Formula is x bar a plus sum of fi uy upon sum of fi multiplied by h. Frequency is given here 148. A we assumed 124.5. What we got the frequency total? Sum of fi uy. It's 23 plus 3f2 whole divided by sum of the frequency was 100 multiply by class interval 50. So it's a 52 is a 100. Now first shift this one, as I told, like always we need to subtract first. 148 minus 124.5 is equal to 23 plus 3f2 by 2. Now subtracting these values, 148 minus 124.5. So it's 5, 3, 2, 23.5. If you remove decimal, so it's 10 is equal to 23 plus 3f2. Instead of removing decimal, we can have cross multiplication, which will be much more easier. If you multiply this value with 2, it's 47. 23 is 26 and 0.5 is so 47, 23 plus 3f2. Now shifting 23 this side, 47 minus 23 is 3f2. So f2 is 24 by 3. f2 is 8. We got the value of f2. So this f2 we need to place in equation 1. That is f1 plus f2 is 38. So we'll place the value of f2 in this equation. So it's f1 plus 8 is equal to 38. Thus f1 is 38 minus 8. So it's 30. Is it clear? Vivek, is it clear? Vivek, is it clear? Now one more question is there which you can solve. Okay, this one. Is question visible to you? Can you see it? Is question visible to you? Here it is. 11 to 13. 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19. Here the lower boundary point and upper boundary point is same. Note down question fast. And then mean is given 18 and sum of the frequency is 64. Do this by your own. विवेक, विवेक, आज के लिए इतना ही करवा पाऊंगे। अगर तेरे को टाइम रहेगा रात में तो एक बार मेरे को कॉल कर लेना। तो ये जो मीडियन मोड वाले हैं सभी के सम्स में तेरे को एक बार मिसिंग वाले समझा दूंगे, ठीक है। आज भी आफ्टरनून स्कूल था तो मेरे को स्कूल जाना पड़ा था। कल फिर रेगुलर टाइमिंग से रहेगा। इवनिंग कल तो फिर मेरे को मॉर्निंग रहेगा, इवनिंग ओनली बाय 4:30। ठीक है, चलो ओके, कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ। सम कंप्लीट कर लेना और थोड़े मिसिंग वाले वो मैं सम्स अगर रहा तो भेज रही हूँ। ओके।